5:30 in the morning. Got a breakfast over in Orange County to meet up with some Skyline homies, including the captain himself. If you guys, for whatever reason, missed yesterday's video, check it out, guys. You guys are always telling me I need to get surprises for the Evo. I got this. Boom! What's this guy? Not really, but I can't wait to throw that thing in it. It's gonna be really fun. Damn it, Gary. This guy, look. Alright, so if you guys couldn't tell, we made it to the breakfast spot. Right now Gary's rearranging some cars. He got his homie that came in a Z30 something, I don't know, Nissan stuff, but this thing's really nice too. Gary just got some fancy new wheels with some new rubber on it. Damn, look at this lineup. This lineup is sick. Oh, the captain has arrived. The captain. From this angle, it makes his car look so low. Jeez. Dude, this kit makes your car look really low.
Faking it. Send this to me and I'll rewrap it. Did you see my taillight fell out last night? Happy birthday, dear boy.
Got the last time I went to the track, I left Rodney stickers in the Cressida, so I just took them out. Yeah.
Oh shit, fast and the furious. Hey, Josh. Derek may not like it. Oh, what are you doing?
So right now we're gonna take Derek's Cressida over to Rodney's house. He's getting it wrapped. Guess the comment down below what you guys think he's gonna wrap the car. What color is he going with? I got the Booty Hustler Skyline behind me. We got the captain in front. Captain's always taking point. He leads the way. You're gonna end up breaking the TV, man.
Bro, I'm on the corners. I'm on this corner.
I just got to joyride Gary's Skyline. Not really. I just got yelled at by some lady trying to move in the alleyway. This is really weird. I kind of understand where the S14 joke comes from. Alright, so it's one last look at the Cressy. What the hell was that? What was that? Before it's transformed in red. So this is pre-Derek now. Let's go find future Derek. Oh look, you're there. We're done.
But I'm the one with the horsepower.
Yeah, that's true.
Sorry, thank you for wrapping my car though.
We are on the way to Hoonigan right now. I got Derek driving the Evo because I'm tired. Apparently Gary, Mr. Booty Hustler in front of us, is like sponsored or something with Hoonigan. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so we made it to Hoonigan. We're here. You guys recognize this? Whose car is this? Whose man's? What better place to learn how to do tires at Hoonigan?
Going like 1 mile an hour. That was him! Squeaking around.
So in case you guys are wondering why we came here, young Gary needs to change his tire because he's gonna do a burnout right now for you guys.
No, that's not happening.
Yeah, we gotta put some tires on the Skyline first though. It's gonna happen. Come on.
You guys not helping him? No, I'm telling him. I'm teaching him, but he's gotta figure it out a little bit on his own.
Scumbag 101.
You got it, buddy.
Look at the pictures. What do the pictures look like?
I believe in him.
I hate you so much because he's. Well, this looks like the thing you're trying to use, right?
I hate you so much.
I hate you.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Now you gotta rotate a couple times and do that a few times. You just gotta flip it over and do it again. The other side. Look at it. Yeah. Make sure it's on there. There you go.
Even on his day off, he finds himself working. The captain never sleeps.
Yeah. Is that the video? You saw a video of me on Grange going 5 miles an hour.
Pretty much. The thing's about to jump light speed on you guys. You hear that? Yeah. Oh! captain.
Hey, we did it. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Hey, look.
And I did all the work after all of it, yeah. Hey. I did all the work, I didn't even get a high five yet. I'll get the bare hand high five.
It's because you get lunch though.
Yeah, maybe that's why.
You're getting free lunch.
I'm rewarded monetarily.
Alright, so Gary's little tire adventure is finally over. You happy, Gary? We got your tire on. You're happy?
You would think.
What?
But then there's another chapter of the story.
What?
Did I bring my key lock?
Oh no, please tell me you did. I'm trying to peer pressure Gary into doing a burnout at Hoonigan. Which seems like a good idea. Oh, you got it, see?
So worried.
The burnout is happening then.
No, there's no burnout.
I almost forgot an important step, balancing the wheel.
I told you, did you want blood? I'm not touching it. 10 minutes later.
Yeah, because you obviously weren't going to do it. And you left the wheel again.
I'm right here. I'm watching my kid. I'm watching my child.
So we can't really go in the back. I know some of you guys are probably wondering why I don't go in the back of Hoonigan and like film all the cars and stuff. We're not really allowed back there. Peer pressure finally kicked in. Gary's doing a burnout. He's doing a Bernie. He's doing the Bernie Mac. It's okay.
Got the whack ass ignition coil packs. Garbage.
First of all, I like how he's your hype man. It's always a broke dude who's somebody else's hype man. Have you ever noticed that people who can't wrestle, people who can't fight, always hyping up? Yeah, he gonna beat you up. Yeah, he gonna put you in a coffin. All talk, bro.
So, is your car gonna sound great, or is it gonna have an ignition break?
I bet you 5.
Yeah, it's not an ignition break.
I bet you 5 chicken sandwiches from Universe X that it won't.
So before Gary does anything, guys, I need you guys to hit that like button right now. If you guys are ready to see this R33 Skyline do burnout at the Hoonigan warehouse, this is gonna be rad. Please hit it right now. I really want this video to get a lot of likes, especially because Gary's gonna do this. I was peer pressuring him the entire time on the way here. I was like, dude, when we get to Hoonigan, you're doing a burnout on the Skyline. He's like, no, it's not happening. And then obviously, I think Adam was his name inside, was like, yo, you gotta do a Skyline burnout, your rear wheel drive, you gotta make it happen. I don't know if we're allowed to film in here, but this is really sick. Really quick, sneak peek, heavy D, simulators, ping pong table. School bus Greg, where you at though? We got the Gear Bear in there, he's ready.
As long as it spins, it did what it needed to do. It did. I'm sorry. It worked.
It almost did.
It did. I thought it was. I was doubting myself.
There was a lot of struggle in the beginning of that burnout.
It was.
Peace out, Hoonigan. Gary's gonna do another burnout from the taco truck.
Yeah, right.
So Mr. Booty Hustler hit up the dude at Hoonigan for a good food spot. We're now getting Mexican food with this Japanese car.
Take it.
I'm not drinking that.
Alright, so we came to 9K Racing. I'm here to pick up my wheels that Auntie Felicia hooked me up with. I'm super stoked. These things are sick.
Consider this early Chinese New Year gift. Sorry, I don't have big envelope for you.
So surprise, surprise guys, I got wheels. We're here at 9K Racing. I'm a little out of breath because earlier I was riding someone's BMX bike and that shit got me winded. Got your typical cars. Uncle Mo's Supra, other Supra dude, I forgot his name. Fair Lady Dave's getting chopped up. He's doing a full makeover on his car. The homie Omar LSTI kid, this STI actually goes really nice. That Graphite Gray Evo in yesterday's video that you guys saw at the car meet actually had his old wheel setup, the TEs. So I didn't even tell you guys I was getting wheels, but I was. Oh, Mo's chasing his dog. Look at this. Hold on. What happened? Hey! What is happening? Anyways, like I was saying, I got wheels. I didn't tell you guys about it, and I didn't even put it in the video or as the title or anything because I wanted it to be kind of a surprise. Like I said, I told you guys I was gonna start piecing stuff together. So I got 2 wheels per box in this, so 2 and 2. And then on the opposite side, 2 and 2. Those things are big boxes. I'm surprised they fit back here, but thank God it did. If you guys want killer pricing on Volk, work, anything to modify your car, like I always say, come over here. Hey, hey, let's, when you get your car back, another ride. All right. There you go. If you guys didn't hear Mo, he was saying what's up to you guys. But like I said, if you guys need anything at all, come to 9K Racing, say what's up to Mo, say what's up to Felicia. Anybody here, they'll hook you up big time. I absolutely promise it. Over here in Whittier, California. They've been the go-to shop since I had my Miata like 3 years ago, and ever since I got into cars, so I highly suggest you check them out.
Not okay. Okay. I don't understand society anymore. Perfect. Okay.
My boy Jesse's fitting his new Batmobile setup. You guys do the Batmobile now?
Yep, pretty much. Bumper is now a Batman exhaust. Batman.
This is Derek's favorite car in the entire shop, the Mighty Car Mods Rally Mobile.
We're here live with Disfu.
You're getting so close.
That's because the way it pans, you gotta get close and get the 9K in the background too.
Yeah, it is.
So we at the shop.
My new shop.
This is yeah, Josh's new shop, 9K Racing.
I've always wanted to get Joey in the videos when Skate's gonna like try to sock me in the chest.
Do you zoom it?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh my God, please put that.
Leaving the shop right now. I'm so stoked I got these wheels. I can't believe it's actually a reality. I've always wanted work wheels. That was like always my dream wheel, like to ever pick up for any car that I've owned. And I've had a few projects now. The fact that I'm heading to my house right now to drop these off is absolutely insane. Like I'm just really stoked, and a huge shout out again to Felicia at 9K Racing for helping me get these sorted, communicating with work and getting them on such short notice. Sometimes there's a bit of a wait, so I'm stoked that I was able to get them pretty soon. And although this car still needs a lot of work and a lot of, you know, love and TLC, I'm just excited to finally get on, you know, the ballpark with getting it started and everything. Something about just seeing this box in my house just makes me so happy. I can't believe it. There's still a ton of things that need to be addressed with the Evo. The next thing I'm definitely going to pick up is a clutch. I also need to pick up suspension as well. My stock suspension's actually blown. It makes a bunch of noise and clunky stuff, and it's just terrible. So that's definitely next on the agenda. It is going to take a lot of time and effort to get all of the miscellaneous things addressed, but I still don't regret at all making the switch from the STI to the Evo. I've been getting a ton of messages from you guys on Instagram for some odd reason asking if I regret it or anything, knowing that it needs a bunch of work. I went into this head first knowing it was going to be a serious project car. It definitely did need a little more work than I thought. My goal was to try to find as most cherry cheap, which those shouldn't be in the same sentence, but I wanted to find the best, like, best price, low mileage Evo 9, hopefully with the least potential issues as possible, which honestly kind of doesn't exist. When it comes to buying the Evo 8 and 9, most of them are pretty Mickey Mouse and just hammered to crap, which is why even shops like 5150 before they tune them, or I think they're offering now, well not offering, they're selling a 1 hour pre-inspection before they hit the dyno because there's always issues with them. With that being said, that's just like the nature of the platform. I just feel like Evos can be pretty problematic, especially when they're not set up correctly. Regardless though, it's an amazing platform and I'm excited to share all the changes with all of you guys through all of the headache, through all the trials, through everything. It'll make it that much better when I see you guys all at Mod 2018, which that is my end goal, and also to enter it in as many shows as possible. That's why I'm really pushing and really trying to grind with, you know, with all my side business stuff, ideas, filming projects, and everything I possibly can do to try to make this a reality for all of you guys to come out and see the car. If you guys want to stay more up to date with everything that's going on with the build or social media, you can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat down in the description down below. I also have coupon codes for Simply Carbon Fiber, a monthly car wash subscription as well with my buddy Bill over at Suds Bucket. Kind of similar to the Tuner Crate style. It's really awesome. I've already shown you guys what comes in the box, but I highly suggest you check out this stuff. I know you guys probably don't read the description, but I list some cool ways for you guys to save money and also take care of your car. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys really liked Gary's Burnout at Hoonigan and are stoked on the new wheels for the Evo, please hit that like button, drop a comment down below what you guys think of the wheels and everything, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace out.